Hi, students, and welcome to week 10 in your online general psychology course. I hope you are enjoying the cooler weather and what feels a little bit more fallish here in San Antonio. Before we take a look at what we're doing with Chapter 8 this week, I want to remind you that your midterm exam over chapters 1 through 7 is due on Wednesday, October 26th. So that is right around the corner here, due in the middle of the week, and again, covering the first 7 chapters. I went over last week the best way to prepare for the midterm exam. So if you forgot or you didn't catch that, make sure you go back and look at last week's announcement video where I talk a lot more about that midterm exam. So you don't have to wait until the 26th to take it. It's open and you can take it at any point. Just make sure you get it taken by October 26th. So let's now take a look at this week. So this week we will be in chapter 8, which is overthinking intelligence and language. And so if we look here closely at your module, you have your PowerPoint in here. And then you will have 3 Connect assignments, one on levels of processing, one on critical thinking and metacognition, and one on bilingualism. So those are your Connect assignments for the week, and then you have your Chapter 8 post-test. So there's no writing assignments for the week. Try to keep that a little lighter since you do have also that midterm exam that is due. I hope that you are having a great week so far. We are over the midterm hump now. So the second part of the semester is underway, beginning with Chapter 8. So please reach out if you have any questions. Take care, everyone. And I'll be back next week to talk about moving on to a new chapter.